Assalamualaikum student. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Open your English book page number 117. We will continue our reading. The doctors knew just how to help Bill. He floated in warm water to help his legs. He did many exercises. The exercises were not easy for him, but Bill always kept trying. As I told you that he did many exercises and the doctor and nurses treated him with very love and care and for his betterment, but Bill always tried to do well and he don't give up. One day the doctor gave Bill some crutches. At first he could not use them very well. He moved carefully. Sometimes he fell, but he always got up again. It's mean he tried again and again to be well. Bill knew that he had to keep trying. If he learned to use his crutches, he could go home and play with his friends. As I told you that he always miss his two friends and the baseball game, so he wants to recover as soon as possible to play with them baseball. It was hard work, but slowly Bill got better and better. He felt very proud of himself. His parents were proud of him too. At the end of the summer, Bill went home. Now he could go outside and play with his friends. Sometimes George and John had to give Bill a little help, but they always had fun. For Bill, the most important thing was going to baseball game. Sometimes George and John support him during their games, but he always tried to do the things by his own. When Bill grew up, he opened a restaurant. Many people liked to eat there. Bill met famous people and made new friends. Once a man tried to buy Bill's restaurant. The man wanted to tear it down and put up a tall building in its place. Bill would not sell his restaurant, so the man had to put his big building right on top of Bill's restaurant. Bill never gave up and he always tried to do hard work. He settled his business and he settled his life by opening a restaurant and by running it successfully. Bill would not sell his restaurant, so the man had to put his big building right on top of Bill's restaurant. The story of how Bill kept his restaurant was in many newspapers and magazines. People said, "Good for you, Bill." Bill has a big family, 9 children. They are 7 boys and 2 girls. Bill's 9 children like to have fun together. I have always liked baseball, Bill says. Now I have my own team. Bill Reedy will never be able to walk without crutches, but to him that is not important. What Bill cares most about are his family, his friends, and his work, and baseball too, of course. In this paragraph, they are explaining that at the end he spent a happy married life and he was very happy with his 9 children and always says that I have my own team. Do reading of these pages and thank you.